Good morning, class. We're going to continue our chapter 1 of 11th class, that is from the beginning of time, and today's topic is the story of human evolution. We had already discussed that there was a journey from where humans evolved from primates to Homo sapiens sapiens. Okay, so in this topic I have categorized certain stages from where the actual human evolution have started. So the first stage from where the evolution has begun was the primates. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा primates के बारे में समझते हैं कि क्या है primates. Primates are the subgroup of larger group of mammals. ठीक है, ये एक kind of mammals हैं. They include monkeys and apes most commonly. They had body hairs. They had long gestation period. What is long gestation period? Gestation period होता है when a woman carry, okay, their baby for like 9 months. Humans carry their baby for like 9 months. तो इनका gestation period 9 months से बहुत ज़्यादा होता था. Okay. Then they have different type of teeth. They had memory glands. They had ability to maintain a constant body temperature. Okay. जब प्रीमेट्स में थोड़े चेंजेस आए, प्रीमेट्स इवॉल्व होके चेंज हुए होमिनॉइड्स में. ओके, अब होमिनॉइड्स के बारे में पढ़ते हैं. दे आर subgroup of primates that emerged around 24 million year ago. They were quadrupeds. Quadrupeds क्या होते हैं? Who use their 4 limbs, ठीक है, the 4 limbs to walk, and which was basically very difficult for them because most of the energy were using in the walking itself. Okay, and also they had very small brain size as compared to hominids we'll be talking about. इनमें इतना सोचने समझने की शक्ति नहीं थी. ठीक है, they were using their hands and legs, ठीक है, for walking, so they were not able to make their tools. जब होमोनॉइड्स में डेवलपमेंट हुआ, इवोल्यूशन हुआ, तो दे वर कॉल्ड एज होमिनिड्स. फर्स्ट होमिनिड्स फाउंड इन अफ्रीका अबाउट 5.6 मिलियन ईयर्स अगो. तो डिफरेंस क्या था होमोनॉइड्स के कंपेयर में अगर करके देखें तो दे हैड अपराइट पोर्शर्स एंड बाइपेड लोकोमोशन. व्हाट इज बाइपेड लोकोमोशन? नाउ दे वर यूजिंग देयर लेग्स टू वॉक एंड हैंड्स टू ग्रैब समथिंग और वट एवर दे वर यूजिंग इट फॉर टूल्स मेकिंग. ठीक है, हाथ में थोड़ा स्पेशलाइजेशन हुआ, द हैंड्स बिकेम फ्लेक्सिबल, सो दे वर एबल टू मेक द टूल्स. ओके, the hominids belongs to family known called as hominidae. What is hominidae? It is a larger group, ठीक है, of mammals which includes apes, gorillas, human beings, etc. and hominids are the part of it. Now hominid is further divided into 2 genuses, that is Australopithecus and Homo. The word Australopithecus has been derived from two words, that is from one from Latin and another from Greek. Austral means southern and Pithecus means apes. So the apes that were found at southern side, they were known as Australopithecus. Australopithecus is basically hominoids में जो changes आए, then they changed to Australopithecus. So Australopithecus species couldn't survive because at the time of Ice Age, Ice Age where half of the earth was covered with snow, these species were not able to adapt to the surrounding, hence the species extincted. Okay, now further moving to next genus is Homo. Homo is basically the people who looked exactly like us, not exactly but a bit different, and it is seen around 25 lakhs years ago, which has been divided into 3 parts basically, that is Homo habilis, Homo erectus, Homo sapiens. Homo habilis कौन से हो गए? The tool makers were known as Homo habilis. Homo erectus कौन हो गए? Upright men. Upright men कौन होते हैं? Those who had the back straight and were walking on their 2 legs, with their 2 legs. Now Homo sapiens is basically the wise and the thinking man. अभी इधर आते तक आप देखोगे कि इनके पास अलग अलग थिंकिंग पावर आ गई है, ब्रेन साइज थोड़ा इंक्रीज हो गया है. ओके, दे वर एबल टू do agriculture, then they were also able to make bullock carts and all that. Now here one question arises that why Africa is called as the origin of human. So there are basically 2 ways why Africa is known as origin of humans. The first one is that African apes are most commonly related to hominids. ठीक है, they look similar to the hominids. Then the earliest hominid fossils that belong to Australopithecus have been found in East Africa. So by these two reasons we say that the Africa is called as the origin of humans.